Hi, what's up? What's going on, Dent coin holder? Today I have something very special and very important update for all Dent coin holder. But kindly holder, if you want to get a profit, in very short time, you will need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Dent coin is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, my friend. You can see here minus 18.63%. They were lost now, but here if we check out, so definitely, my friend, you can see here they were face down for a short time. Absolutely, you can see they were face down for a short time, but after that I am 100% sure, you can see here, to tomorrow and my friend in upcoming days they will move upward, because in last 10 days of every month every coin, my friends, will move upward. So therefore that's true to they will get a profit in upcoming days, my friends. Please, if you want to get a profit in very short term, you will need, my friends, to hold it. And if you hold, so I will give you guarantee, my friends, so this coin will give you a very good profit. Definitely when a coin were fails down, so this is does not mean to they will never wake up and they cannot get a profit. Please holder in upcoming days, I am 100% sure, my friends, to they will just and only, my friends, target us to kindly holder in upcoming days. If they will moving upward, so that's all possible. If a holder are starting holder, so they will moving upward. But if a holder are starting selling, so they will never moving upward. So therefore the CEO, my friends, also tell this, my friends, to upcoming time we will need to collaborate with a lot of companies. But I think, my friends, the direction is moving us now. So let's see, my friends, to what they do. But in upcoming days I hope, my friends, to we will need to recover it now. So thanks for watching pancakes. Sorry, my friends, you can see here this time the price is moving upward, so that is mean, my friends, to you will need to hold it. If you are hold, so I hope, my friends, they didn't coin will wake up and they will completely go in the moon now. So this is just an only, my friends, short message for all of you. Hope you will understand. Please holder, if you want to get a profit, you will need to subscribe this channel. See you next time.